Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we own battery percentage in our Samsung phone. Friends, you want to own your battery percentage in your Samsung phone, so you can own. And friends, now let's see how to own battery percent in our Samsung phone. Sorry friends, I paused the video, so guys now continue guys how to own battery show percentage in our Samsung phone. Friends, open your phone setting, scroll it. Friends, notification setting, click here. Again scroll, advanced setting. Friends, tap here. Hence you can see show battery percentage. So friends you will have to click, then guys your battery percentage will on. You can turn on your battery percent, and guys you can see 75% battery we have in Samsung phone. So like that guys you can on your battery show percentage in your Samsung mobile. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going, please comment, like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye guys.